Nilu, check. Okay. Let us all sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Spine, neck, head in one line. And shoulders and buttocks are in one line. I have sent one prayer in our group. So all of you please see that. We will be doing that prayer today. Okay. We will be doing other things also, but that prayer also we will be doing. Okay. O will be longer, louder, and clearer. Inhale. 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 Vasudevasutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. You all can open your prayer. Today we will not be doing it twice. Just I'll be reading, you also read. In second class, we will be seeing if by chance I can make you also read with me. Namo avidya vihina अस्मिता रहिताय च रागद्वेष प्रहीणाय निर्भयाय नमो नमः। समाहिताय शान्ताय निस्सङ्गाय निराशिषे आत्मानं जानते सम्यक् स्वस्थाय च नमो नमः। संस्थितस्त्वयि बाह्यात्मा त्वम् अन्तरात्मनि स्थितः वितर्क विहीने हार्दे आकाशे में महीयताम् त्वयि मे सर्वम् ॐ ॐ ॐ आत्मनि मे त्वम् ॐ ॐ ॐ स्मारय स्मारय ॐ ॐ ॐ चित्तं शामयं शामयं ॐ स्मराणि सोऽहं ॐ ॐ ॐ शान्तं चिन्मयं ॐ मां ॐ स्वस्थं केवलम् ॐ ॐ ॐ स्मराणि शुद्धं ॐ मां ॐ स्मराणि शुद्धं ॐ मां ॐ स्मराणि शुद्धं ॐ मां ॐ ॐ मां ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ Put your hands by your side. Inhaling Take your hands up. Inhale, stretch. Exhaling, come forward. Elbow down to Adi Guru Shiva, Jagat Guru Shri Krishna, your Nija Guru, your personal Guru. And all the Rishi, Muni, Maharshis, Siddhas and Sadhakas. To all the friends, family, ancestors who have helped us for our existence, for our birth, for our comfort, for our efforts, and for our aspirations. Connect to all of them who have worked really hard, put so much of effort for our betterment, for our well-being. Connect to them with gratitude, with love, with affection. Absorb their love, their affection, their blessings for us. And with that blessing, slowly come up with determination, with confidence and decision that we will pay back their rina by applying this knowledge in this life, by reaching to the state which they thought for us, which they worked hard for us, and make them kritartha, make them liberated by being ourselves liberated. If you have taken your hands up, allow your hands to come down. Namo Namaha. Welcome to the wisdom of our ancestors, wisdoms of all our gurus, rishis, maharshis, munis, wisdom of our Shruti, wisdom of our Upanishad, wisdom of our scriptures, Veda, which is flowing in everyone's DNA. It is flowing in our veins. It is flowing in our blood, in our breath, right? And because of that, we are what we are. We are that lucky that even in the era of crisis, correct? 21st century is known as era of crisis, correct? Everybody is going through so much of problem. We are also. But compared to others, just think of that Palestinians, Ukrainians, or all over world, UK se lekar ke sab jagah pe. Compared to all of them, we are better. They are going through economic crisis. They are going through emotional crisis. They are going through physical, mental, all possible crisis. Compared to them, आराम से अपने AC room में बैठ करके, we are able to think of our betterment. Why? How? Because somebody earlier than us, before us, gave their not just 100%, everything for not themselves, for us, right? In that, all the Shabda Pramana which we are counting, right? Mata Pita, Guru, God. God who has gave the scriptures. So scriptures, Vedas are equivalent to God and Guru. Guru who explained the scriptures given by God. And so Guru is equivalent to scriptures, equivalent to God. And my Mata Pita, who are my first Guru. In my Mata Pita is just my Mata Pita only. All that people who are like my parents, who loves me like parents. Who are parents? Parents are who are the fools. Who are fools, you know? Who loves unconditionally. even though they know ये कोई वापस आने वाला नहीं है. Still, they know they don't want it. They know they hate us for this, but they know it is for their betterment. And so they keep on giving. Correct? We do that for our kids. That's what our parents did. That's what their parents did. That's what their parents did. That's what our ancestors, our gurus, everybody has done it. Correct? And that's why nowadays the days which are going on, which days are that? These days are known as what?
Shraddha.
But ma'am, you have started.
Shraddha Divas.
Avidya vihinaya asmita rahitaya cha. We all understood the meaning of it, right? All these words are very simple for us now. Correct? Avidya vihinaya asmita rahitaya cha raga dvesha vihinaya swasthaya cha namo namaha. Correct? So who is our role model? Who is Kapila Muni? Who is Rishi Patanjali? Who is our acharyas? Who is our, Vedavyasi, Jaimini Rishi, Gautama Rishi, and all other people? Shankaracharya, Adya Shankaracharya and all? वो ऐसे बैठे थे आराम से. तुमको पढ़ने का है पढ़ो, नहीं तो जाओ. मैं बोलती हूँ तेल पीनी है, और कुछ शब्द नहीं बोलना चाहिए ना, अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Did they ever do that? When we were not been able to understand Brahma Sutra, they've given simplified it Upanishad. Upanishad नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, भगवद गीता भी नहीं समझ में आ रहे, तो पुराण, स्मृति, how many things? Exactly like our mother, like our father, like our parents. Correct? And so, how can I repay them? So when we are applying that knowledge in my life, that time we realize. When we become parents, that time we realize how difficult. That time we realize our parents. पहले तो उनको गालियां देते थे. हे भगवान, ये कब जाएंगे, या तो मैं कब फ्री हो सकूंगी, और I will go and stay somewhere else without them. Right? We all want to move out. All want to move out. हम बोलते हैं ये तुम नहीं चाहिए हमारी, हमें तुम्हारी छत्र छाया, हमें आप लोग बौना बना रहे हो. You are not allowing us to grow. You are not allowing us to grow big. You are limiting us, right? And when we go out and we become parent, or when we start living actual life, उन्होंने जो सिखाया होता है ना, तब हमारे सामने आता है. और फिर उसके सिखाए हुए रास्ते से चाहते हैं कि कभी भी उन्होंने जो बोला है वो तो नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन उसके सिवा और कुछ नहीं करते. उन्होंने जो सिखाया है वही करते हैं. And when the way she made roti, I made it like that. The way she was making sabji, I am making it. The way she was raising children, which I used to hate, I raised the children same way, right? And तो तब याद आता है कि अरे हाँ, thank God उनसे समझाया. So when we are putting it into practice, no, that time we remember them, and then that time we thank them, right? Actually, that's why the knowledge which is given by, what knowledge? Of Samyaka Khyati, right knowledge, ultimate knowledge of who I am actually, truly. Who am I? I am pure consciousness. I am Purusha. I am Brahman. And what am I doing? Where I get stuck at? With all these nominal things? I am phenomenal. I am highest, supreme. And where I get stuck with all this, khao piyo, roti, kapda aur makan, ye karna hai. But is this the ultimate? Yahi highest hai? Nahi. It is part of my life. It is not my full life. What is my ultimate life? Where I have to reach with all these things, going with this and going above this. What I want to reach? I want to reach to the state where I am swastha swamisthita. I am established in myself. In myself means what? Eternal pure consciousness in bliss, in happiness. Are we in happiness? We are in dukkha, right? And so when we are applying the knowledge given by them, And that time we realized, thank you so much. And so the sadhana which we were supposed to start during Ganapati days, we mentioned that, right? In Ganpati days are to start my sadhana from Saguna Sakara to Nirguna Nirakara. When I start my sadhana, when I'm actually practicing something, that time I realized the importance, the important role they played in my life. And so when we are practicing, all of them, their contribution in my life come in front of me. And so these days are for what? To say thank you. To pay my rin back. For gratitude. Remembering them, all of them who contributed in my life for my betterment, for my well-being. Remembering them with gratitude. And that's why we call it, yes, you all mentioned it, Shraddha days. Shraddha means Shraddha se kiya gaya. ऋण पेमेंट, हमारे ऊपर जो उनका डेट है, that we are paying. उन्होंने जितना किया है हम उनके लिए अब कर सकेंगे क्या? नहीं ही कर सकेंगे. Then why what we are doing? इसीलिए, और कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो कोई बात नहीं, याद तो कर ले मेरी जान. करेक्ट? हम किसी को प्यार से याद कर लेते हैं, हमें कोई प्यार से याद कर लेते तो हमें कितना अच्छा लगता है, राइट? अरे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, हमारा बच्चा हमें पूछ लेता है तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाऊं, तुम्हारे लिए क्या करूं, एंड व्हाट वी ऑल से, तूने मेरे को याद किया ना, वही बहुत है, सब कुछ आ गया. This is what is expected from us in these days. How we will remember them? Whatever they taught us. Practice that. And श्रद्धा से उन्हें याद कर लिया. That's all. उन्होंने क्या सिखाया है, उन्होंने क्या नहीं सिखाया है. करेक्ट? करेक्ट? एंड इसीलिए उन्होंने जो जो भी सिखाया है, जो जो भी ज्ञान दिया है, नॉलेज, ट्रू नॉलेज दिया है, जो जो भी सिस्टम्स दी हुई है, जो जो भी संस्कार दिए हैं, उसको याद करना है. और क्या ज्ञान दिया है, क्या नॉलेज दिया है? ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णम आदाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. तो पूर्ण है. क्या ज्ञान दिया गया है हमें? अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. क्या ज्ञान दिया गया कि तुझे मालूम नहीं है, तत्वमसि, यू आर दैट प्योर कॉन्शियसनेस, सोहम, दैट प्योर कॉन्शियसनेस आई एम. ये सारी बातें मिली गई. करेक्ट? इसीलिए, और इन लोगों ने जो हमें दिया है, तो वो हमारे अंदर होता है. यूजुअली हमें कौन समझाता है, कौन ज्ञान देता है बचपन से. I was not having dada dadi. Unfortunately, my dada dadi passed away before my father got married. So, but I was very lucky to get all these stories from other dada dadis, as well as from Pathshala, from my teachers, from my gurus, and all that things. Okay, so whatever they taught us in my childhood, so we all know, वो बचपन की जो सारी कहानियां है, करेक्ट, और वो हमें याद रहता है. काफी लोग इसलिए ना जोक पास करते हैं कि दादा और पोते का, दादी और पोते का बहुत जमता है. करेक्ट? तो फिर कोई बोलते हैं क्यों ज्यादा जमता है? क्योंकि वो दोनों का दुश्मन सेम है. करेक्ट? वो बड़ा बेटा और दादा का वो झगड़ा हमेशा होता है, मतलब बाप और बेटे का, और बच्चे को भी पापा से या बेटी को मम्मी से प्रॉब्लम होता ही है. हाँ, बेटी को मम्मी से होता है, बेटे को पापा से होता है. करेक्ट? हमेशा स्टैंडर्ड ऑल ओवर थ्रू आउट, नो एजेस से. करेक्ट? तो उन लोग के सेम होते हैं. बट मोस्ट ऑफ अस विल अग्री दैट उनको प्यार करना भी इन्हीं से सीखते हैं हम लोग. सिर्फ दादा दादी नहीं, माँ बाप को भी प्यार करना उन्हीं से हम सीखते हैं. करेक्ट? सो ऑल द थिंग्स व्हेन दे आर टीचिंग, so it is the knowledge which is given by them to us, our ancestor, our पूर्वज, जो लोग भी, सो सिर्फ हमें नहीं, बाकी सबको भी. एक दफे क्या हुआ, आप लोग ने ये स्टोरी सुनी होगी. ओ वो कौन सी थी, एक बंदा नहीं, एक टोपी वाला था, टोपी वाला था, वो टोपी बेचने का काम करता था. I know everybody became very sentimental like me, so I thought, let me just change the mood. So टोपी वाला है ना, टोपी बेचने के लिए गया हुआ था.
हाँ, पेड़ के नीचे आराम करता है
हाँ,
वो किसान।
फिर वो है ना, बहुत थका हुआ था, सुबह से निकला हुआ था, धूप था, तो उसने एक पेड़ के पास में वो पानी का कुआं या तो पानी का नदी देखा, और वहां पे अच्छा सा झाड़ था, उसकी छांव थी. सो ही थॉट, लेट मी जस्ट सिट फॉर अ वाइल. Then he drank water, and then he realized he is very hungry. So he ate, and then he realized he was so tired, before he can think anything, he went off to sleep. Now in that, he forgot that his, वो बड़ा सा bag था, it was open, which was full of caps. So then what has happened? We all know the story, right? What has happened? All the bandas,
Monkeys.
all the monkeys came down because he was wearing caps, so they thought, okay, yes, and they copy. So they all took one copy, and they all were sitting and wearing the copy, top cap, topi. Okay. And so after a while, maybe 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, he got up, and then he realized what has happened. No cap in the bag, all of with them. And so he tried, नीचे रखो, तुम्हारे थोड़ा ही है, ये थोड़ा ही है. And what, whenever he was getting angry, what bandars were doing, what monkeys were doing, what they were doing,
Laughing.
whatever he was doing, it was kacha.
Repeating.
That's what he was doing, and he was getting so irritated. He get angry, they get more angry, and then he. Bandar are very good at it, right? So all that thing was happening, and then he was finally got so tired, fed up. So he just put his cap down and sat down. And the moment he put his cap down, what has happened?
All the monkeys threw the cap.
All the monkeys threw the cap. And eureka, he got the knowledge, ultimate knowledge. No point fighting with the world. More you get irritated with them, they will irritate you more. Instead of that, relax, sit down. And if the monkeys are imitating you, so if you take your cap out, what will happen? They will also do that. The moment we stop irritating things around you, the moment we stop getting irritated by things around you, situations around you, situations will also rest themselves. Do not irritate anyone. बहुत बड़ा ज्ञान है. And so he realized. Now, after few years, he was very old, and so he retired, and so he was not doing, and his son started doing it. He told his son, but obviously son will not. And so later on he was telling all this story. मालूम है, जब मैं एक दफे टोपी बेचने गया था, तो यहाँ पे ऐसे था, वहां पे वैसे था, फलाना था, ढिमका था. All the stories he used to tell whom? His grandson. And so ये तो family business था, So grandson also became what? Topi wala. He was also selling the topi. And so Dada taught him categorically, don't commit this mistake. First of all, do not starve yourself that you get so tired. If you are starving by chance, then please don't go and sit under the tree where the river is, or water body is nearby, because then thanda pavan aayega, and it will lure you, and you may go off to sleep. If by chance the water body is there, तुमने पानी पिया, तुमने खाना खाया, तुझे नींद आ गई, then be sure that कैप का जो बैग है वो तू बंद करे. और by chance you make mistake and बैग खुला रह गया, so do not fight with them. What to do? Just take your cap off and put it in the bag. Everybody will follow it. So then he said, इतना सारा सब कुछ थोड़ा ही होगा. Do you all think that? ऐसा थोड़ा होगा, आपने तो स्मार्ट, आपने MBA, ये थोड़ा होगा। एंड सो वी ऑल थिंक ना कि जो ये लोग सब बोल रहे हैं ना उन लोगों की लाइफ में हुआ, हमारी लाइफ में थोड़ी होगा। वी ऑलवेज गेट कॉट सडनली, अचानक से, unprepared. And so the same thing has happened. One fine day, that grandson went. He was very hungry. Water body was there, tree was there. He drank water. He ate food, and he went off to sleep. And bag was open. And so when he got up, he realized, oh my God, all the caps gone. बहुत सारा नुकसान हो जाएगा. And so that time he realized, दादाजी ने क्या बोला था? Do not fight. What to do?
Throw the cap.
और बैग में डालो. So एकदम स्मार्टली he just removed the cap, ये सबको दिखाया और फिर उसने बैग में डाला. So सब बंदर ने भी हाथ लगाया. Then एक दूसरे के सामने देखा. Nobody came to put the cap in the bag. उसको तो बहुत गुस्सा. एक दफे, दो दफे, तीन दफे, चार दफे बार बार कैप लाने की डालो डालो डालो. And now he started getting irritated. अरे ऐसे कैसे होए? मेरे दादाजी ने जो सिखाया वो गलत है क्या? And he was getting really furious. In that time, one monkey came and told him. Many of you know the story, right? क्या बताया? हमारे भी दादाजी हुआ करते हैं बस. जैसे इसको सिखाया था वैसे बंदर दादा ने अपने बच्चों को सिखाया था कि ये मानव है ना, पागल है, वो हमको उल्लू बना करके लेके जाएगा, हमारा फायदा उठा सकता है, हमारे स्वभाव का फायदा उठा सकते हैं. सो बी श्योर नॉट टू गिव इट अप. ऐसे होते दादाजी, जो बातों बातों में ऐसे होते हमारे पूर्वज, ऐसे होते हमारे ancestors who teach us the real knowledge. It is in our hands whether to follow it or not. And when we are following it, and that time, should we be grateful to them or not? When we are doing sadhana, that time we remember them. And when we remember that, that is the right time to remember them and repay them by practicing it properly. Now, when we are practicing it, जो भी उन्होंने सिखाया उसमें से जो हम प्रैक्टिस करें उसको 100% अच्छे से, उसमें अगर किसी की शादी में जाना है तो can we do our sadhana? Can we do our sadhana? Can we pay proper attention? We may not. किसी जगह में आज शॉपिंग करना है, so वो that is our normal life. आज ये काम करना है, वो कल वो काम करना है, इसकी सगाई है, इसकी शादी है, इसका ये है, उसका वो है, आज ये शॉपिंग करना है. So we are all the time busy in what? Busy in normal day-to-day activities. What about our sadhana? What about our realizations? When we will do it? That should not happen to us. We remain little connected, committed to our purpose. That's why we have to be really grateful for this also. No other system in the world is so perfect, who is giving proper chance to do systematic study, systematic sadhana and realize self. So we have special days, 15 days. ये 15 दिन में से कोई भी एक तिथि को कोई ना कोई तो गया ही है हमारा. Correct? And we are supposed to be grateful to them by doing it. So how do we do it? So all that brahmanas are who is working for Brahman, who is working for me so that I can understand what is Brahman, what is pure consciousness, what is my Chaitanya, what is my Atma Tattva. He is helping me. So he is like my father, he is like my ancestors. And so we call them. Correct? Whosoever resembles like my parents. Correct? So we call them. Why? उनको खाना खिलाने से मेरे माँ बाप को खाना मिलेगा? No. वो आएंगे खाना खाने के लिए तो खाना खा करके आएंगे, खाएंगे, जाएंगे. ऐसा नहीं होता है. When somebody is coming for food at our place, then they share some knowledge.
आशीर्वाद देंगे.
आशीर्वाद भी देते हैं और वो कुछ ना कुछ कह के जाते हैं. That will help me to go higher in my life. That's why we invite them at home. अभी इनवाइट नहीं करते हम लोग, सीधा भेज देते हैं. सीधो मतलब जब खाने का सामान भेज देते हैं. अभी खाने का सामान भी नहीं भेज देते हैं, गूगल जीपे कर देते हैं. नो, देना जरूरी है. ओके, नॉट बैड, बट व्हाट वाज द पर्पस? व्हाई वी हैव टू कॉल देम ओनली? Because they can share that knowledge. That is what Brahmanas are for. They never work for anything. They don't work for money. That's why we give them dakshina. What is dakshina? To keep them daksha, so that they can do their job best. What is their job? What they do? Unconditionally. You know, हम उसको 5 रुपए देते, लेकिन आशीर्वाद क्या देते हैं हमें? हम राजा बने ऐसा आशीर्वाद देते, राइट? और 5 रुपए में इतना आशीर्वाद कोई देता है क्या? इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा, इससे ज्यादा नहीं मिलेगा, जा, ऐसा वो नहीं बोलते. You understand? That is what true Brahmanas are. And so Brahmanas are that who tell us, who give us the knowledge about self. What is self? Who is giving the knowledge of Sankhya, Samyak Khyati. What is Samyak Khyati? Knowledge of right knowledge, ultimate knowledge about self. And that is what is known as Brahma Gyan or Brahma Khyati or Vedic Gyan. And that is what we are getting. And we all are so lucky to have these systems. And so, you know, in these 10 days, 15 days, when we practice and, you know, we keep on getting their knowledge or support or understanding, clarity. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ अटके है. So we call them and we ask for clarity. And after that, again, we can apply our knowledge. We start practicing it well. And so that what happens during Navaratri time, it is the real, correct, true sadhana. Because by that time, the energy starts getting ignited in us. And then by the time of Diwali, we get the highest result. In the dark night, also, the pure conscious, the light of pure consciousness is fully available to me. That is what is actual Diwali in my life. After, you know, doing, you know, the Saraswati, Lakshmi ji and Mahakali ki puja. Correct? All the Shakti's puja. Can you understand how nicely, systematically they have given us? So all of us can reach to that level. And that's why we need to connect. We all are lucky that during these days, we are doing the topic which is helping me to know the highest knowledge, to know the highest supreme being which is there within me. And this knowledge is given by whom? The knowledge of this Samyak Khyati given by whom?
Kapila.
Kapila
The
Muni.
Shastra.
Why we call him Muni? Because he did manana, reflection, understanding. He thoroughly know this, grasped it, practiced it, attained it, and then gave it to us, to his students, to his disciples, and through Ishvara Krishna, it has come to us. And so, in these days of sadhana, in these days of श्रद्धा से हमारे एंसेस्टर्स के साथ हमारे सब गुरुजनों को, मुनियों को, आचार्यस को, महर्षिस को याद करने के दिन में, you know, so what we teach our children, हम हमेशा कौन सा डायलॉग बोलते हैं? जो मैंने भुगता वो तुम्हें नहीं भुगतने देंगे. करेक्ट? What I have gone through, I don't want you to go through. And that's why I'm trying to make your path easy, smooth. Correct? That is what all our ancestors, all our rishis, munis, acharyas have done. When they simplified the scriptures, why they were working so hard till they pass on, till they go to Himalaya, they keep on working. Why? Shankaracharya, you must see that movie of Shankaracharya. In that, how hard he worked. He worked with all the opposite forces so that we can continue getting this right knowledge. He was suffering physically. Still, he was doing it. And then he went into when he realized that my work is done. Now they will take over. They will follow properly. And so he went into the Himalayas, never to come back. Correct? And so this knowledge is usually for what? What they have gone through, we don't have to. And so this knowledge are for what? To come out of all the problems in my life, to make my life easy, smooth, systematic, to make my life happy, to make me fun-loving, to make me sincere, but at the same time happy. ज्यादातर लोग बहुत काम करते तो who we all are? We think we are the manager, we are the CEOs, we are kept looking after the whole world so well. Correct? Are we able to manage actually anything? We have not been able to manage our own self also. थोड़े दिन पहले ही मेरा कंधा दुखने लगा. क्यों दुख रहा है यार, क्यों दुख रहा है? And then I realized फालतू में है नहीं. ये भी मैं कर लूंगी, वो भी मैं कर लूंगी, तुम्हें क्या है? मैं करूंगी, ले कर. हाँ, कुछ भी फिजिकल वेट नहीं उठाया. But yes, symbolically it started. We think सारी दुनिया का बोझ मैं उठाता हूँ, right? अपने आप को हम खुली बनाए रखे. We think that we are the manager, we can manage everything. Are we? Can we? And then instead of manager, what we become? Damager of our own self as well as others also, right? बाकी के सबको बुरा लगता है, सब हमारे दुश्मन बने बैठे हैं. फिर क्यों? We are not allowing them to do their own chunk. मैं करूं. हमारे गुजराती में नरसिंह मेहता ने कहा है वो पोयम. मैं हूं करूं एज अज्ञानता शकटनो भार जेम श्वान ताणे. हमें लगता है मैं करता हूं. Are we doing all these things? This is a higher reality, some other power, higher power who is doing it. Yes, he gave us that little bit feeling. Yes, I am doing it. But actually, it's not me. I must have told you that story that there was one person who was going by train. And यहाँ पे सामान सब लेकर के खड़ा था. सबने बोला कि भाई जगह ही नीचे रख दे. बोले नहीं, मेरा सामान है, मेरे को उठाना चाहिए, मैं किसी और को कैसे दे सकता हूँ? नहीं, अरे लेकिन ट्रेन पे रख दे. नहीं, ट्रेन पे कैसे रखूं? बट गधे, सॉरी, ये सारा सामान के साथ तेरा भार कौन उठा रहा है बॉस? करेक्ट? ये मेरी चिंता है, मेरे प्रॉब्लम्स है, लेकिन तुझे तेरे प्रॉब्लम के साथ कौन संभाल रहा है बॉस? Understanding that is true knowledge, right knowledge, ultimate knowledge. And that knowledge which is given by all these visionaries, and that knowledge is about the self. We all are suffering, right? Why? क्यों हम सफर कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मेरा भार मुझे उठाना है. Correct? I have to carry my weight. Is that so? Is it right knowledge, or this is what the wrong knowledge is? So are we suffering? 101%, right? 200%, 500%. Yes, we do. Correct? We all are suffering. Is there any dukkha? Yes, not any dukkha. There are many dukkha's. Too many dukkha's. Dukhi dukhe sarvatra. Correct? Hey. Why? Why? Because of my wrong knowledge, because of my misunderstanding. And so if I come out of this misunderstanding, then will there be any dukkha?
End of dukkha.
There will not be any dukkha. If there is no dukkha, how it can harm me? Dukkha will not be there. there is so much of darkness, so much of darkness. If the light comes, can darkness exist? Automatically, like this, it ends. Correct? That is what is being taught by our systems. That is what is telling us. And so, if we are suffering, how many dukkhas are there? 1, 2, 5, 10, 15.
Innumerable.
Innumerable, asankhya,
Yes.
inginat, aganita, infinite pain. And how long is that pain? It ever ends? एक खत्म हुआ नहीं हुआ कि दूसरा. It is infinite, unending दुख. काउंट करने चाहे तो
Can't count.
भी पूछो, हाउ आर यू? और अगर हम लोग सिंसियरली पूछते हैं और वो हमारा कोई खास है ना, तो क्या बोलेगा? दूर के कोई है तो हाँ ठीक है, ओके. लेकिन थोड़ा सा भी पूछते हैं कि यार तेरा ठीक है बहुत स्ट्रांग नहीं है, क्या हुआ है यार? एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंस? इन पूरा पठारा खुल जाता है, राइट? हाँ, और फिर क्या होता है मालूम है? अगर 4-5 लोग बैठे हैं ना, और एवरीबडी इज टेलिंग के आई एम गोइंग थ्रू, ये मेरा बेटा है ना, अरे मेरा वाइफ है ना, अरे मेरा हस्बैंड है ना, अरे तेरा तो कुछ नहीं, मेरा मालूम है, राइट? एम आई राइट? हाँ, द मोमेंट वी स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट, वी रियलाइज औरों का दुख देखा तो ना, दुनिया में
मेरा दुख भूल गया.
कितना कम है. And then when we actually see real troubled people, actually दुखी people, and then we realize, हाँ यार, भगवान की दया है मेरे पे यार. हाँ, औरों का गम देखा तो मैं अपना दुख भूल गया. मेरे को लगा कि यार उनके सामने तो मेरा दुख बहुत कम है, लेकिन ऐसे गप्पे मार रहे तो तुझे नहीं मालूम है, मेरा है ना, मेरे साथ एग्जैक्टली ऐसे ही हुआ, मेरा बेटा भी है ना, मेरी बेटी भी है ना, मेरा ये भी है ना, मेरा वो भी है ना. Is everyone's दुख सेम? अगर दूसरा बोल रहा है तो हमें लगता है यार इसका तो कुछ भी नहीं है, तो मेरा दुख सहन करके देख, यू विल कम टू नो. करेक्ट? करेक्ट? एंड एक दफे ना ऐसे ही हुआ, एक स्वामी जी है ना, एक गांव में गए थे. ओके, तो वो गांव में गए थे ना, तो वो गांव में सब लोग आकर के स्वामी जी को, कोई भी बड़ा आता है तो हम लोग वही ना, हमारे यहाँ कोई भी आते हैं या तो हम कोई बड़े लोगों के पास जाते तो क्या करते हैं, उनको फ्रूट वगैरह तो देते हैं. फिर उसके बाद में ना वो समझ भी जाते हैं जो प्रसाद आया है ना, उसके हिसाब से इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम लेके आए बंदा, राइट? फिर वो बोलेंगे नहीं नहीं, बोले कि हाँ नहीं नहीं, और सब कुछ है, आप बस आशीर्वाद दीजिए. तो बोले हाँ वो तो है ही आशीर्वाद. बोले कोई बात कुछ है क्या? अरे नहीं नहीं और कुछ नहीं, लेकिन है ना ये है, या तो मेरा बेटा या उसके लिए आशीर्वाद दे, ये क्या प्रॉब्लम है, उसको मैं कैसे सॉल्व करूं, एंड ऑल दैट वी आस्क फॉर जनरली. So when that Swamiji went to that village, everybody was, coming every day with some or the other problem. And so he thought that, yaar, everybody is having. So he said, okay, I have a common solution for everybody. बोले what? तो बोले कि जिसको जो भी दुख है ना, उसका गठरी बांध करके लेके आए. You tie up and bring. If not physically able to tie it, then put that many chits. ये दुख है, उसके नाम लेकर के लिख करके लेकर के आओ. ओके, और फिर मेरा प्रवचन शुरू हुए ना, उसके पहले लेकर के आना, मैं बताऊंगा क्या करना है. एवरीबडी लेकर के आए, और फिर दुख लिखने बैठते हैं तो, गिनने बैठते हैं तो, वी कम टू नो, ओह माय गॉड, लंबा लिस्ट. और सुख गिनने बैठते हैं तो करेक्ट, इट इज सपोज्ड टू बी ऑपोजिट, बट एनीवे, करेक्ट. तो उन सबके इतने लंबे लंबे हुए और सबके वो रखे, तो किसका इतना बड़ा, वो सब कुछ अलग अलग था. तो उन्होंने कहा सब लोग लाइन में रखो अपना अपना दुख. बोले हाँ. फिर अंदर आए, उन्होंने कहा, उन्होंने कुछ समझाया और बोले कि एक काम करो, ऐसे में काम करेंगे, जिसका भी वो पसंद आए ना वो लेके जाओ. एवरीबडी हैज टू टेक देयर चंक, बट कौन सा आपको आपका नहीं पसंद है, आपको मालूम है ना बहुत तकलीफ वाला है, लेकिन दूसरा का अच्छा है ना. वी ऑलवेज थिंक एवरीबडी इज सो लकी. वो अपना रोना रोएगा ना, बोले कि अरे तेरा तो हस्बैंड कितना अच्छा है, मेरा देख के देख, मैं तेरी सास तो कितनी अच्छी है, मेरी सास को देख, तेरी साड़ी मेरी साड़ी से सफेद, वो हमेशा ही लगता है ना। सामने वाले का सब कुछ अच्छा होता है, दूसरे की थाली में लड्डू बड़ा दिखता है, राइट। उसको लगता है अरे ये क्यों, साथ में कितना अच्छा है, उसकी लाइफ में तो अच्छा है, लेके जा। And so this Swamiji said the same thing. Everybody came out. इसको लगा हाँ, but then when they saw it ध्यान से, then what they decided? What they decided? दूसरों से खुद का दुख better है. Why? At least I know how to deal with them. Correct? दूसरे का दुख दिखने में अच्छा होता है. When you go through them, there are people who said, it is better, instead of crying all alone, or, on the cycle, it is better to cry in the Ferrari. But in Ferrari also you are crying only. What is the point? पिंजरा कैसे भी हो, पिंजरा पिंजरा ही होता है. सोने का पिंजरा हो या लोहे का हो या सिर्फ ऐसे ही रस्सी से बनाया हुआ हो, पिंजरा पिंजरा ही होता है. दुख दुख ही होता है. करेक्ट. सो हाउ मेनी दुखस आर देयर? मैम अभी आप गिनाने बैठोगे ना तो हमें छोड़ोगे नहीं जल्दी से. सो बेटर यू ऑल गो फास्ट. कि सब लोग चाय पी के आए हो तो ब्रेक नहीं देती हूँ, ब्रेक कैंसल.
No, ma'am. I have to.
I know that. So go have your tea, etc. faster and come back. And so that we can start with how many types of dukkhas are there, how to deal with them, how to overcome them, and what is the take of Sankhya for dukkha is part of life, will be there. 101% will be there. Yes, it will be there. So what can we do? Can we throw dukkha out? No, but still, can we live without dukkha? Yes, we can learn how this dukkha cannot affect me. Barish hai. We all know how not to get drenched in the rain. Raincoat pen lo, chhata le lo, will not harm you. We all know dukh is there. We all know it's very hot and walking on the road is very difficult. It will create blisters in my feet. Can we stop the sun? Should we stop the sun? Can we just cover the whole sky? We cannot. But we can cover our head. We can cover our feet. And that is what is the path given by Sankhya. Samyaka Khyati, right knowledge. How to deal with this dukkhas, that dukkha will not remain there at all. What is the dukkha ka udgama sthana? Kahan se shuru hota hai, and how we can overcome that. All that our ancestor thought about and gave it to us. In this Shraddha days, let us all learn that, practice that knowledge and be dukkha mukta. We'll do small Om and complete this class, and then we'll start with the types and all other things of dukkha and continue with our Sankhya theory. Inhale. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Have a very divine day and blissful life ahead. Most probably we may not be able to continue on the same Zoom link. We may get new Zoom link. I will put it in our group. So before joining, please check. Okay. Thank you so much. Namo Namaha.
Thanks to you. Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha, ma'am.
Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Namo
Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha, ma'am.
Namaha.